Right, guys, this is the briefing for No Escape. This is for the open athletes and the teens or futures athletes. You will start on your lane marker on the count of 3, 2, 1, go. You will run down your lane to your bike. You've got your designated calories. Don't touch any buttons on the bike. It'll all be set for you by our judges. So you just start riding. Once you have reached your maximum or your total calories, then and only then can you jump off. If you jump off the bike early before your calories ticked over, your judge will call you back to get on the bike even if it has ticked over. So make sure of that. Burpee get-overs. You have a box-facing burpee, making sure all standards on the ground, your chest, hips, knees, everything's on the ground every time. And then you're getting up and over that box any way you want to, as long as you are crossing the box and you're not just skipping the whole way around it, okay? So these are all good reps. A bad example would be just going around and flinging your legs. Let's see if we can do it. Getting around, okay? But we'll go through that. We'll show you good and bad renditions of that on the day if need be. Once you've done your 9 burpee get-overs, you have your deadlifts. It is 15 reps, I believe, at your designated weight. Once you've done your 15 deadlifts, you will go to your pull-up bar. Shorties out there, you will have a part of the rig to stand on. We won't be using this rig on the day. 30 toes to bar for the open athletes, 20 toes to bar for the futures. Once you've done your toes to bar, we go back through it all, back to your deadlifts, back to your burpee box. With the deadlift standards, just making sure that when you are standing, you stand to full extension every time. We want to see a complete lockout with the hips and knees and shoulders in line at least. Any bouncing on the ground, we're going to show me a deadlift bounce. Any of, where you really exaggerate the push, even more so than that, it'll be no rep. And then just back to the toes to bar, the standards for the toes to bar, just making sure that your feet pass behind the vertical line of the rig and that both feet touch the bar at the same time between your hands. Once you're done, deadlift, burpees, back to your bike, you've finished your final bike, you'll be then off running back down to your lane marker to finish the workout.